How to create a Steam account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can create Steam account. So let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to create your Steam account, first of all, you may just head over the Steam application and go ahead and download the application. Otherwise, you may just head over to the browser as well. I'm using the application for now. So I'm just going to click on open and launch the app and wait for the Steam dashboard to be appeared on my screen. So if you don't have a Steam account, but if you already have, you may just enter your account name and password and you'll be signed in. But since we don't have an account, we're going to create an account and tap on this don't have a Steam account. So it will redirect us to another page where you will be taken to the steampower.com. So in order to create your account, you need an email address, confirm your email address and your country of residence. So I'm just going to type in my email address here. And then you'll be receiving an email address where you need to verify yourself from the Steam account. So you're just going to tap on this verify yourself. After that, you're just going to click on this and it will open up in a browser. So you can find this email is verified. So you're going to return to the previous window to complete the verification of the email address. After that is done, you're just going to head over to the app and type in your account name and password. After that, simply sign in, and that's how you basically create your Steam account. So therefore, follow the steps in order to create a Steam account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.